scared. Tom, caterpillar.
The caterpillar is crawling onto the turtle. Shh, wait, stay back here. Don't move, don't move. Oh, he's gonna eat him. Look, the caterpillar's trying to get away.
But he stopped him.
Oh, yucky.
What?
Ew.
Yuck.
Okay.
Scoop's coming out.
I don't know, that's yucky in there.
Hey,
Back up. Don't go any closer. Well, now we know this turtle eats caterpillars.
Is he gonna eat the poop? Yucky.
I think he's gonna eat the poop too.
Yuck.
Look at him, he's doing a good job.
Whoa.
Is it gross? Now, that's what turtles eat though, now we know.
Ooh, he's trying to get out.
Yep. Oh, he's almost done. He says, that was a yummy meal. Thank you, Caleb, for my meal.
We found the best meal for you.
Now, do you see it? When he walks, you're going to look for his tail, okay?
Who? The caterpillar?
The turtle. You got to look for a turtle's tail when he starts walking, okay?
Yes.
Don't move. Don't poke him.
Why?
Okay, so he's putting on his back feet. Don't poke him or you'll make him go back in.
He ate it.
I know he did eat it.